Hello everybody, today we're gonna play MMD and Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, it's okay. Who is the man? Oh my gosh. I need it. Okay, we're not. I like the avatar, but not his. I only like the Angus Dumb Cute Streak. Fashionable. What is Puppy begging? Yo, what? Yeah, I will show you. Let's see. Okay, what is Puppy begging? Oh! So we're not actually using Puppy begging. And work kiss Roblox profile. Wait, no, that is just without the kissy. Okay, and Caramelita Dansen. Yeah, and Ilkin Simon says, ganun. Yeah. Then, who is the...
Man ng langaw na yan.
Gonna be mute so I could actually lock it. Bye. I mean, yeah.
Palabasin mo nga sila yung langaw.
Paano ko mapapalabas yan?
Ganon mo. Itaboy mo siya ng iganon mo siya. Ito unan, no? Ito unan, itaboy mo ng unan.
Saan?
Ganon mo ng unan.
Uy. Lah.
Makalabas siya na taas.
Uy! Asan?
Uy! Ayan na. O, bumalik na naman sa'yo.
Asan siya?
Ayan mo ko sa'yo, sige.
Hindi nga ako marunong sa mga ganun eh. I knew it. She was... What's so good?
Ayan din.
Sweet sounds.
Ha?
Sounds.
Ano, sakit